My name is Darren Vella. I'm the Head of Services for Bromley Mind. So Bromley Mind is a local mind that's affiliated to National Minds, and our work is very much to improve the lives of people with dementia and mental health locally here in Bromley. And we do so because we believe our work is all about making sure that people live as independently as possible. People learn how to cope, manage and improve their mental health and well-being, and to provide support for people who are caring for somebody with dementia. And that really is the kind of ethos of how we do our work and what we try to do. Bromley Mind as an organisation has two major arms of what it does. We are a specialist provider of dementia services and one of the few other providers of dementia. And we also provide a range of mental health services for people locally that kind of matches their mental health need with the kind of service that they need, that we are able to provide for them. For the people who have the mild to moderate needs, so to speak, so people who are experiencing an episode in their life where they're having difficulties, are suffering from anxiety or depression, we are working very closely with Bromley Healthcare to provide a service called Bromley Working for Wellbeing. And that is what's known as an Improving Access to Psychological Therapies project. So we're helping more people access actual psychological therapies locally. And the part that we do is provide people with guided self-help. So it's helping people identify what the symptoms are and helping them manage those symptoms a little bit better. Whilst our colleagues at Bromley Healthcare provide the much more higher thresholds, cognitive behavioural therapy, to people, so on a one-to-one basis. On the other side, we also provide Bromley Community Wellbeing Services, and the Community Wellbeing Services works more with people with the long-term and enduring mental health need. And what we do there is work with people on a one-to-one support basis, so we'll help you identify what your personal goals are. It's called PCP, so Person-Centered Planning, and bridge building, so if people need signposting or information about what's available, we can support with that. We provide structured courses and groups, so people can come and learn a new skill or develop their ways of managing loss and change in their lives, etc. And the third part of what we do there is what we call open access peer supports. So we train people with long-term mental health need to run spaces for other people with mental health need as well. And we provide a very small project called Peace within that is for mothers who have a young and dependent child but also experiencing difficulties themselves. We provide them with one-to-one support and groups as well. So in terms of dementia, we have been providing services for over 20 years now, and the predominant area of what we do within dementia is providing day centre opportunities for people where we provide a stimulating environment for the people with dementia, and we do a lot of activities for people there. We have two, one in Beckenham area and one in the Orpington area. So that's within day centres. We also provide respite for carers, so if you're a carer of somebody with dementia and want to take a break, you can book through our respite service to have that break and have the peace of mind that the person you're caring for is in good hands, and we have trained staff who come into people's homes to do that. We also provide a new service for carers in terms of one-to-one support, coaching and workshops as well to enhance the skills of carers in this new role that they end up having, to be able to have the right skills at hand to enable to have their loved ones live as independently as possible. And finally, we provide training and consultancy for organisations locally so that their staff is better equipped to deal with patients or clients who have dementia. So if anybody wants more information about Bromley Mind and the vast areas of services that we provide for people locally, you can visit us on our website on bromleyminds.org.uk or give us a call on 01689 811 222.